Welcome to Jovika TV. I beg, I want make una follow me watch this video. Then I go begin explain something for now. I want to talk about Governor Ala Igbo and Orji Uzo Kalu. I know some of you don't see that particular video or that news, but watch this video first.
The longest road in Abia, yes, the longest road in the history of Abia since the integration day. 46.36 kilometer Umuahia Ozuakole Akara Isukuato Abreba Road, which was actually done by this current administration just barely 22 months in office. For over 25-30 years, this particular road has been in bad shape. Yes, those who are from Ben, the local government, and especially all those local government that is a link to Abia North have been suffering. So, but today, the former president, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, was in Abia to commission this particular official road there. See, this is a plus to the administration of Dr. Ala Igbo. Yes, this is on record that Dr. Ala Igbo is the only governor who have commissioned the longest road in the history of Abia. This is a 46.36 kilometer Umuahia Ozuakole Akara Isukuata Abreba Road. To share this with and say congratulations to Ndabia, congratulations to Ndabia North and the Ben. Share this video
now. For this kind land-breaking achievement by Governor Dr. Ala Igbo, the only governor where Abia State get will be great governor. Because since democracy, Abia State be one Igbo state will never get a very good governor. Starting from Orji Uzo Kalu, though he tries small, but he can't give the worst way to sit down. T.A. Orji. Then, as we cry for Orji, now him if there is anything that is more, that one now we not get anywhere to qualify him. If also come for anything, nothing. That's one of the baddest. If they say there's any grammar for that thing, it now be the baddest. So in the midst of this baddest, when Abia State enter, now God can't remember Abia State. Through that woman will be professor will call the result, because if that woman not call the real result today, we no get this particular Ala Igbo. May God bless that professor, that woman, that ebony woman will call that result the truth. If they say they follow their federal people, call it what they call, will bring this disaster when they happen to Nigeria now. Now I say for them for that same shoe. Now in call result they bring OT. Now this road where you just watch now. Now there where Orji Uzo Kalu came from. Now the then the local government. In there for that seat, more than 30 years. When in there for that seat, no build that road. Orji when give no build them. He also no build them. Now in this man now, will be God sent for Abia State. Don't build road for your own father house. After when build and finish, my friend where they live with me for America here. Just came back from Nigeria this January. He marry Oyibo. I go interview them. The Oyibo told me, say, who want to go live for Nigeria? And one go like to stay in Aba. So Aba too fine. I can't they want Aba of up, let's say. So the man saying go travel again. The woman saying go to Fulham. So Aba to Nigeria fine, mainly Aba. Say Lagos, they too noisy. So this man when make Aba, they call him a place where be fine. All this good work where this man do. Orji Uzo Kalu in a way to appreciate Governor Oti. See the news when Kalu come appreciate her. Then go remove her. Carry Abia State hand over to Tinubu. Orji Uzo Kalu, this one don't show say this man hate Igbo. He hate Abia State. The way rule Abia State, we get airline. You know if you build airport, person will get airline. It be like person will get driver will no get motor. It be like bishop when no get church, king when no get palace. Now my Orji Uzo Kalu be. You get airline. You know if you build airline for your state, your successor no build. Your second third successor no build. This man they plan to build airport. They think thank you where you go tell them say you go remove them. You go make sure say you remove them for 2027, making hand the state over to Tinubu. Orji Uzo Kalu, may he never be well with you. Now me talk about I share this video. Go tell him, make him look for me. May he never be well with you for this rubbish. This is why I hear about you. This one where we hold for hand now. Where the money for the whole delivery for Ala Igbo. This man where God sent, You see, when I see the video, waiting go do for university. They see the kind of place our students dey study. Tell me how somebody will study there, you go compare a person will study for America. Just tell me. I go to one of the high school here. You need to see the class, air condition. They study. They use the remote to change the port. Now that can play they study. Then two of them go come out. They compete for some exam. But see where this man go, our children they study. Now the man want transformer within 3 months. For all this good work, where will they talk? Orji Uzo Kalu get mad, open mouth, say, he go remove her, hand the state over to Tinubu. May Tinubu happen to Orji Uzo Kalu. May the other day be the cry, say, Nigeria come in front to Igbo because he won't be president. You know go be. They go chop you, collect your money, you know go be that president. For this rubbish news, why is here about you? Ndabia, make una respond. Nobody, every Abia person will be APC man should resign if una get sense. Or they say nobody should compete with OT if una get sense. Except if I go there, this news they vex me. I won't make if I say you are a disgrace to Ala Igbo. For even thinking of removing this man, you are a disgrace for Abia State. I know say to hell with you, your arrest or looking for me. Sign for my arrest. They call it cyberbullying. This is playing me very, very well. May God not allow you to succeed in this your evil plan. Abia, OT go rule Abia 8 good years. In fact, if the female there another way, bring them again. OT deserve a better place in Abia State. A selfless man. Look at how he transforms people. Abia, share this video, make it reach Orji Uzo Kalu, and make you use it to encourage OT. And tell all Abians, may nobody try enter APC, talk less of voting anybody will come from APC. Nobody should compete with this man in 2027. That's what it be me for me. I don't want to talk much for this video. See you again. Bye bye.